We'll guide you through how to lock a Google Drive folder to keep your files extra secure. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive on your desktop and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Navigate to the folder you want to secure. You can't directly lock a folder, but you can restrict access to it to effectively protect it. Right-click on the folder and select Share. In the Sharing Settings window that appears, you'll see the list of people who currently have access. To restrict this, click on the Change link under the Get Link section. Here, you can adjust the settings from anyone with the link to restricted, meaning only people you specify will have access. If you want to add specific people to have access, you can add their email addresses in the Share with People and Groups section. Make sure to set their permission level to viewer or commenter if you don't want them to make changes. Click Done to save your changes. This way, only those you've specifically granted access to will see or interact with the contents of the folder. It's a great way to make sure your sensitive files are kept private. Remember, while this method secures the folder from unwanted access through sharing, if you're concerned about local access on a shared computer, consider encrypting your files before uploading them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.